The East Central Research Foundation and Parkland College are having their annual farm tour again on July 12th, 2018. Our plots are shaping up, so come have a look. We will look at how well broadcasting urea on 10 centimeters of snow compares to side-banding urea at seeding. The latest varieties of winter wheat and hybrid fall rye will be on demonstration. Find how layering of herbicides can help control glyphosate-resistant canola in a Roundup-ready soybean crop. Learn about the benefit of plant growth regulators. What is the most economical? Should wheat be managed intensively or as a low-input crop? And we'll also be discussing some specialty crops, such as forage corn, quinoa, and flax. See you there!